Grain transloading's major boom came in the 1990s, when high-throughput elevators and larger rail loading facilities replaced many smaller wooden country elevators. This shift helped move larger grain volumes faster, with less delay and more efficiency. This land-based movement of grain from truck to rail or rail to truck, helping wheat, corn, barley, canola, soybeans, and oats move efficiently from farms to processors, feed mills, elevators, and distribution points. Today, grain transloading continues to support the food supply chain by helping raw grain reach the next step, whether for flour, cooking oil, animal feed, cereal, or other everyday products. From farm to table, transloading plays an important role in keeping the grain supply chain moving so consumer needs can be met on time. And with standard discharge or an extendable spout option, it adapts to fit your unloading setup too. For operations that need faster truck-to-rail grain movement, the Schnell TLX delivers the speed, capacity, and reliability to keep grain moving.